Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, we're going to break down for you how you can delete pages and databases from your Notion workspace really quickly and without any technical skills whatsoever. So let us get started right away. Head over to your Notion account, select your workspace in the top left corner, and here on the left hand side, below Team Spaces, you will see all pages and databases associated with your workspace. So what you want to do is simply right click on the given page you would like to delete. So let me go with this one here, right click on it and select move to trash here to delete the given page. As you can see, it has been successfully deleted. You may undo this by clicking on undo here. And if you'd like to restore the given page or delete it permanently from a trash folder, simply head over to the trash folder here and simply wait for the page to be loaded. It may or may not take a moment. And after that, the page will appear here so that you may, for example, like here, for example, so that you may restore it by clicking on that button or delete it permanently from a trash folder by clicking on this trash icon here. So let me restore it. And there you go. As you can see, the test page, or page in this case here, has been successfully restored. That's how we do it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and we'll see you next time on our channel.